ATD Tools, extra long folding aluminum platform is perfect for getting that extra reach when working on or washing trucks, vans, SUVs and RVs. The platform has non-slip rubber feet for added stability. The extra long work platform measures at 38 by 12 while being 19.685 inches tall and made out of an aluminum alloy. It also has steel hinges with safety locks for stability. The platform has a maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds. It has anti-slip strips to ensure secure footing on the work platform. It also has a lightweight, space-saving design that can fold away for easy storage. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of ATD products, please visit atdtools.com.